Cadaviz is the world's most advanced virtual dissection table, transforming how medical education is delivered worldwide. It's the only platform offering the most comprehensive content aligned to the competency-based curriculum. We begin with 8 cadavers, including 2 pediatric bodies, providing an unmatched foundation. The platform integrates 7,000-plus gross and regional anatomy labels, 45-plus block dissections, and 30-plus detailed organ and part simulations, along with a dedicated osteology module covering 300-plus bony features, landmarks, and ossifications. It offers 100-plus detailed muscle movements and 200-plus detailed embryology topics. Cadaviz includes 300-plus histology slides, 700-plus histopathology slides, and an advanced radiology suite with 1,500-plus radiology slides, 1,200-plus DICOM datasets, and extensive applied radiology cases. Physiology learning is powered by 2,000-plus physiology topics, supported by 20-plus clinical procedures and 300-plus OSP cases. The platform also features 100-plus prosected specimens, endoscopic fly-throughs, blood circulation, neural pathways, USG viewer and physiology animations, and 500-plus interactive quizzes. Learning is reinforced with 500-plus activity presets and 250-plus modular quizzes, enabling educators to teach, assess, and revise concepts instantly, all within Cadaviz. Cadaviz also bridges anatomy with clinical diagnostics by seamlessly mapping gross anatomy to histology, histopathology, and radiology, enabling learners to correlate structures from macroscopic dissection to microscopic and imaging findings, all integrated in one platform. This unmatched depth means students, faculty, and clinicians can explore the human body with unprecedented clarity. It sets a new benchmark in digital anatomy, detailing what others simply don't provide. It shows every layer by layer dissections, from delicate facial membranes to the deepest skeletal structures. For example, facial covering of the testis and sequence, tunica vaginalis, internal spermatic fascia, cremastric fascia, and external spermatic fascia. Muscles are displayed into superficial, intermediate, and deep with true fiber orientation. Vessels appear hierarchically, from major arteries and veins to the smallest branches for progressive removal. Across the body, facial layers are clearly separated into superficial, deep, and specialized fascia. The abdominal wall and peritoneum unfold realistically from skin through fascia and muscle to mesentery and omentum. In the nervous system, dura, arachnoid, and pia mater, with nerve plexus in detail, can be peeled individually. Even the thoracic cavity can be explored from skin and fascia through intercostal muscles to parietal and visceral pleura, and the eye reveals its cornea, sclera, choroid, retina, and lens as distinct layers. This unmatched detailing mirrors real cadaveric dissection and gives educators, students, and clinicians a true hands-on experience in a digital format, a capability that clearly sets Cadaviz apart. Cadaviz delivers exceptional visual clarity and smooth interaction with patented rendering algorithms, ensuring fast loading in just 5 seconds compared to longer delays in other systems. With Cadaviz, support doesn't end at installation. We provide worldwide service, ongoing software upgrades, training certifications for faculty, and technical guidance whenever needed. Cadaviz also features patented rendering algorithms, ensuring unmatched clarity and smooth interaction for every user. Cadaviz has achieved 97% satisfaction among professors and students. 97% agree, and 100% say it helps students be better prepared for anatomy study. Cadaviz is undoubtedly the benchmark for digital dissection. Experience the difference today.